See us.
Come see us, I will show you.
You down with TTT? So we've just entered the national park here. What's the name of the park?
Khao Lem Hญ
Khao Lem Hญ.
Khao Lem Hญ
Khao Lem Hญ. Khao Lem Hญhere at Bon Pei. So we're gonna go to a viewpoint,
But
and
welcome cannot go, we go stairs.
but they had a gate right there where you pay Thai people 40 baht, Phadong 200 baht, unless you have a Thai ID, and for your truck 30 baht.
Cannot go.
So we paid 270 baht to get in here. That's pretty cool. What's it? Looks like a really cool national park area. Never been here before. Well, we're walking from here. Hiking trail. Got great restroom facilities. We just drove in a little ways past the gate where we paid the 270 baht and drive right on top of the hill. And there's parking right here. Not overcrowded today. This is a Friday, January 6th. So yeah, not too busy, but I just thought I'd take this moment while it's kind of quiet, going to the toilet by myself, me and a few monkeys. But some people really get bothered by what they call dual pricing here in Thailand, where today to enter this national park I paid 200 baht but only paid 40 baht for my Thai wife. So a lot of people, it really bothers them, and I think it's the principle that because you're a guest, you're not a citizen, you have to pay more, because it can't be that Thailand's expensive. I just paid $6 to International Park, which is pretty much standard all over the country. Whatever national park, about standard entry for foreigner, someone that's not a Thai citizen. So if you think $6 is too expensive, and then my wife gets the discount and pays $1.50, so I think most people complain about dual pricing only because of the principle that they feel mistreated, that they were charged more. But it's definitely not expensive. So up to you. I think you would enjoy living in a foreign country much better if you don't complain or think too much about dual pricing. Nature trail? You want to go the nature trail? Can go all the way around? Okay, up to you. first time for us to enter this national park, guys. Right here in our home province of Rayong. That's why I keep saying there's so much to see, you know, within one province. I like to get to know my home area really well, more than just traveling across the country, right? Getting to know my own county is what we would call it back in the States, a county, but getting to know our own home province, and we've never been here before. So yeah, I don't think it's too expensive at all. 270 baht for the two of us plus the truck parking. So long-tailed monkeys in here too. All right, guys, let's check out the nature. Oh, this is a viewpoint up here. Let's go up to the viewpoint, huh? Okay, let's do that. Beautiful, beautiful area. Khao Samet, gateway to Khao Samet, right there. Samet Island, guys. Right there. Awesome. Got a nice little jetty pier there. Can go walking down there too, shall I? Okay. Well, there's Khao Samet, baby. Samet Island right there, guys. So I wonder if you take a boat from here to go to Samet.
Go up there.
Well, guys, we are really getting our exercise in. Well, this is great. Pretty cool. Lots of heavy canopy for sure. Beautiful, beautiful. The trail's not too difficult. There's some steep parts here and there, but nothing like out waterfall hiking and playing at Khao and all that.
Peace.
Oh, you found you?
Here, 4 down. Like
Oh wow.
3.
Oh,
Eat.
okay.
Make with some tam.
That sounds good to me. They're beautiful views and stuff all the way through, even though most of it is pretty heavy jungle. Working up a good sweat. That's good. We like that. Keep that resolution going. Anyway, the best viewpoint is at the end here somewhere. But it's just gorgeous right through here, man. Makes you realize how big Samet Island really is. It's long, and it's not far offshore, right? A lot of resorts and stuff. We're gonna go stay a night out there one of these times, guys. One of these times. Yen's not real big on boats, but yeah. And then we got so many beautiful beaches close to our home there in Banchang, out at Sattahip. So, you know, I mean, going to an island's not like top thing on our list to do, but I understand why a lot of people want to. But when you live at the coast already and you've got beautiful clear water, white sand beaches 20 minutes from your house, you don't have to get on a boat. You can drive there. Just going to an island just doesn't seem as appealing. Wow, getting a little rough here. Going down. Wow, beautiful. Trail comes out after the jungle opens up into this tall grassland. That's kind of cool. Wow, what a view. Be careful, baby. Stay back from the edge. Wow. Oh, this is cool.
I don't know where Sky walk.
I don't know. Wow. Really opens up. Beautiful view, man. Beautiful. Definitely worth the hike, man. Highly recommend it, guys. Look in the description box if you want to trace our steps today. Definitely worth it. Pay the money, come into the national park, and take the nature trail. It's awesome. Gotta love Thailand, man. Just so many places close to home that you can see. So we just came down the hill from the nature trail. This is the road that goes back out. Nice sea breeze today, very strong breezes. Beautiful place, guys. Yeah, they got a store down here, man. Yeah, cool. And they got the speedboats and the pier out here. Very nice national park. All walking. They don't let you drive down in here. See a few motorbikes, but that's these people working, I'm assuming. Everybody else is on foot. National Park Welfare Store. Yeah, they got snacks and everything in there. That's good. Huh? If you happen to be hungry. Beautiful area. Just sit down and chill out. Look at these views. Great. They make some tum. Beautiful area. Kalamya, right? Skywalk over here, yeah. Kalamya. Very cool. Beautiful. Keep going, baby. Die. Go. Go ahead. Absolutely gorgeous water. Huh? Scary. Skywalk over the ocean. Pretty cool. And the trail goes on. Huh? That is cool. All the way around. We were up there before. Yeah, we were way up top. We were up here at the viewpoint somewhere. Yeah, beautiful. And Khao Samet Island right there. can almost throw a rock over there to the island. Beautiful. Water's just gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful, clean water down here. Wow. Wow, a nice hike, baby. You do the nature trail up top and then come down and do the lower trail. Or you could do it in reverse, but I think it's better to take the lower trail last because it's nice and cool down here. So after you've done all your hiking up over the hills, you come down here and this sea breeze is amazing. Check that out, baby, in the mangroves. Oh, beautiful. What a gorgeous spot. You sit down here? Yeah, you sit down and take a photo under the mangroves. That's beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful, not bad. This is gorgeous. I'm the king of the world! Oh, be careful! Too full. Oh, so gorgeous. Beautiful nature trails. Wow. Come see us.
Come see us. I will show you. Please.
Beautiful.
Beautiful rock. The rock very good.
Beautiful hike, guys. Really, really worth it. The inn says that this tree right here is growing stuff that kind of looks like a pineapple, so you can eat them. Looks like they turn kind of reddish color when they're ripe, like this one here. Ah, yeah, they kind of look like pineapples growing on a tree. Really weird. All right, stay tuned. We're going to check out some more Bon Pay area. Absolutely stunning. But nature hikes and viewpoints, oh, that's just our game. We love this stuff. Go, baby, go. Don't fall, don't fall. Baby. pretty cool, guys. They got little campsites down on this far end. Past the pier, past the skywalk, come down to this far end. Pretty nice. Got these little decks and people got their tents set up over here, coolers and all that. Got restrooms. It's pretty nice. And this is the way out, huh, babe? Okay. Nice. Damn, I feel like we walked 20 miles. Circling around through the campground and all that. What are you guys doing? Huh? Yeah, we don't have any food. No. We don't have anything. No. So yeah. Boy. So this is where we parked and we went straight. How you doing? Huh? Picking on your baby? The baby? Huh? The baby? Huh? Say, Mommy, you left me. Huh? Mommy, you left me. Huh? Mommy, you left me. Huh? The baby, where you go? Huh? Huh? All right, let's roll.